In this video, I am going to tell you about Masternode of IQ, how you can invest your IQ and get benefit from its Masternode. For Masternode, you need minimum 3000 IQ cash, so you can buy it from cracks. Simply, you can buy, and the price is going to be near about 0.4 times 01 right now. We fluctuate. So what you need to do, first of all, just download in Play Store filits. You would get this link in the description of this video, so just click on that video and install this application. This is very good application, filits. It support many Masternode projects. And after installing this one, first of all friends, you need to deposit some FLS. So let me show you. This is the payment system. I already deposited here. You need FLS. This is the filits token, friends. So you need to deposit here. Minimum you need to deposit is equivalent to 2 euro. So I deposited here approximate 10 to 12 because it would be beneficial for you next month, because on every month you need 2 euro to run your Masternode. Okay, so just remember, and this is your address. Just copy this address as showing on your app and deposit from cracks, because it is already trading over cracks actions. Now friends, simply come to dashboard here, and after coming here, click on new wallet. As you would click here, you must have to search here IQ, because friends, I am already just using IQ, so no coin would be display here, but you would do first time, so it would display there. Click there, and after clicking there, you would show your zero balance. Okay, so what you need to do, just copy this address from here and deposit more than 3002 coin here. There must be minimum of 3000 plus 1 or 2 extra coin. As you know, I deposited here on 14th 3004 coin, and I got after one day 11.78 IQ as a reward of Masternode. You can see it here. Okay, so deposit here. After depositing, you have to click on Masternodes. As you would click here on Masternode, you have to click on the next step, deploy. As you would click here deploy, so your process would be started. Stay connected with your internet. It can take more time depending on your internet speed and also your country. All over world, it is more than 600 plus Masternode going on in IQ cash over using this application filits. And if you have any problem, you can just click here help and cut the queries to this live support friend. Simply you have to need the following steps. New wallet step. After that you have to search IQ cash. After that deposit you on that particular address of IQ wallet, and then you have to deploy Masternode. And after deployment friend, you must have the fee there. Okay, and after that you would get the balance and Masternode would be started. So thank you very much friends. Stay connected with me, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.